Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Check the volume, ring/silent switch, and confirm Do Not Disturb is off. Next, disconnect Bluetooth so sound routes to the iPhone speaker. Play a ringtone to verify. If audio still fails, restart the phone and make sure iOS is up to date in Settings General Software Update. These steps isolate software versus accessory issues. Once done, you're ready to dive into deeper fixes without wasting time. Now run targeted diagnostics. Visually inspect speaker and mic ports and clear lint with a soft brush or compressed air. Don't insert metal. Toggle audio accessibility options like mono audio and phone noise cancellation to rule out routing quirks. Reset network settings if calls or streaming are affected. This clears Bluetooth pairings and network caches. Test different apps, music, voice memos, FaceTime, to see if the problem is app-specific. By isolating the if problems persist, back up your iPhone and perform a full restore via Finder or iTunes. This removes deep software corruption. Once restored, test audio again. If it works, reinstall apps selectively to identify the culprit. If restore fails or hardware still quiet, run Apple Diagnostics or schedule an appointment at an Apple store or authorized repair shop for hardware inspection. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm with wired headphones and an external speaker to verify whether the internal speaker or logic board needs service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.